Drivin Ivan here at Dubs and Dogs, or Dogs and Dubs, to benefit a rescue sort of charity, and that's a great cause, along with some great Volkswagens out here today in basically Charlestown, West Virginia, and a lot of cool stuff out here, and I'm going to show it all to you. Try to hit every car here real quick. Look at this beauty. Wow. We'll try to get around to every car here. Got some old campers. Got some people selling their wares and that sort of thing as well. Look at this Volkswagen Thing. Very cool. It says her thing on the back. That is the right color. Her thing. Carmen Ghia. Beetles, man, look at the detail on that. That thing is just gorgeous. And so is this thing. Carmen Ghia. Look at that. Sort of transporter bus, pickup truck, all sorts of cool campers out here. Westphalia camper tops. Look at that. They had the cool convertible top there, like on my Fiat 500. That was the rage back then. Really, really nice. Interesting window back here too. Ooh, this one's for sale. There you go. There's a number for you. It's old because it's got the round window. Was it 50s? 57. 57. There you go. Carmen Ghia, 69. Wow. A lot of cool stuff out here today. Like I said. Kind of a freaky rain thing going on. It wasn't really supposed to rain today, but here it is raining a little bit. Oh well. We won't let that dampen our spirits, will we? Dark Side. Not quite sure what they're checking out. Let's see how this thing is decorated. Good vibes. There we go. These are so cool. They become a little pricey now, which is kind of unfortunate, as Volkswagen is supposed to be the people's car, which means it should be affordable. I have an affordable Volkswagen pickup truck, the Jetta. You can search for that in Drivin Ivan and check that one out. It is for sale. Trying to downsize my collection a bit, sell some cars. I bought the cheapest supercharged Jaguar, my XJR, that's for sale. And 92 Alfa Romeo, 5-speed manual, 164L, that one's for sale. And also, I got a Cadillac Elante that's for sale. That one is kind of pricey because it's low mileage, 36,000 miles. But back to these Volkswagens. If you like any of those, just reach out to me on maybe my Instagram, DrivinIvanKatz, same as my YouTube channel, DrivinIvanKatz. TikTok, The Real Drivin Ivan. Boy, these are great. But like I said, they're getting really, really expensive, unfortunately. A newer one. Interesting wheels on that one. Vanagon L. Squareback Volkswagen. Lots of dune buggies as well. Myers Minks and others. I'll show you a cool one in a second with a special theme to it. Stay tuned for that. I'm glad the door's open on this one. Look at this beautiful interior. Wow, that is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous car here. Roof rack, air-cooled motoring. It's really nice. Very cool. Take you around and show you these Myers Minks here. One of them's a Myers Minks.
Mine doesn't have a mask.
I think. I've seen a lot of these today. They're running all together. I've actually already been through the display once. This is interesting. It smells like the Grateful Dead. Patchouli. Look at that. That is awesome. A true Grateful Dead van. Here we see these nice people, Glenn and all. He made me some nice food today. There's his 71, I think, Beetle. He's safariing it. It's going to be a safari bug. That's cool. Great pizza and great hot dogs here. I can attest to it. There we go. Onward. Onward and onward and onward. Let's see. opal for the round window. 1950s original Volkswagen trim. Look at that. Antique girl. Atten girl.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I will.
Very custom, this one. Super cool. Here's a Brasilia. Take you in for a closer look at this one, because you don't see one of these every day, do you? Well, that's really cool. Oh well, I don't think this music is going to help my cause much, because it's tough to monetize these videos when there's standard music playing like that. But anyway, I wanted to show you a closer look of that Brasilia. There it is. This SO Volkswagen, that's a cool bug theme. It was Exxon, actually. That was what Exxon used to be called back in the day, SO. And still is, I think, in Europe. Somebody jamming out, playing guitar in there. You'll notice I do post music videos on my Drivin Ivan site sometimes. Definitely a musician, songwriter. Like to play all the instruments and record songs at the same time. Hobby of mine as well. And some people like to sit in their Volkswagens during car shows and play guitar too. More power to them, right? Carbon Ghia. Look at that Beetle down there. That's pretty cool and custom. A couple camper tops. Starting to drizzle again, unfortunately. But oh well, what are you going to do? A modern day Volkswagen GTI. I've reviewed several iterations of the GTI, so for my full driving reviews, like I said, just Google Drivin Ivan Volkswagen GTI or R32. See my review of the all-wheel drive Volkswagen Beast. Great cars. Wow. That is a rugged looking dune buggy right there. Very cool. I like it. Speaking of rugged, Go Bar. Nice bright yellow Beetle. That's a good color. I had a friend that had one this color actually in high school. Brings back memories. Ours was convertible though. Another friend had a Carbon Ghia actually. Green. Not a convertible. People are trying to stay dry. A lot of people brought tents, and probably brought them to keep them out of the sun, but it's good. It's good to have it. Because, this surprise rain is not thrilling anyone, I don't think. That's really cool. Speaking of my Volkswagen pickup truck for sale, here's a very cool Rabbit pickup. I like the look of that. I like these rat rods. And this one's a runner too, you can tell. Nice engine in there. Love the tiny steering wheel. Wow, so cool. Very, very cool. Audi TT, a car very near and dear to me. I have one of these. The first generation like this one, 2001. And mine is Laguna Seca blue with the baseball glove leather. I have well, in my review I drive it in the snow, but I have a couple snow driving videos in that too. With the Haldex all-wheel drive, same as the Bugatti Veyron. Cool old Jettas, even an Audi thrown in here for fun. There's the R32 custom. Nice Volkswagen Cabrio here. Used to be the Rabbit convertible. There you go. There's a Rabbit convertible. Or was it the Cabrio by this time? I can't see.
Okay.
Did they call it the Cabrio? Yeah, it was called the Cabrio. When did they switch from Rabbit convertible to Cabrio? Do you know?
It's been early, I don't know.
What year is this one?
93.
93, yeah, so it was in the 70s, 80s, earlier 80s. Probably until the late 80s they were called Volkswagen Rabbit convertibles. Very cool here, look at this. Woo. I like it. Very nice. Even a Corvette out here. This one is super cool. Well, it looks like the Munster mobile went away. There was a dune buggy fashioned with a Munsters theme, but I guess they took off because of the weather. What a shame. Check out my TikTok video. You'll see it in there. The real Drivin Ivan on TikTok. And you'll see it. It was right here, actually. There's a Myers Minx. And wow, this one's just really cool too. I love the colors. So there you have it. This beautiful Volkswagen show here. Dogs and dubs. Dubs and dogs. Out here in Charlestown, West Virginia. Not too far from Berryville, Virginia. Thanks for watching. Just search Drivin Ivan in any car. Check out my podcast, What Makes a Car Special, and Car Capers. And do check out my music videos too. Just posted a cool Morrissey cover, First of the Gang. And also lots of other music videos. My literal video for Chris Isaac's Wicked Game. And documentaries, stories on even Jim Morrison's life in Alexandria, some pop culture stuff on the Doors, and Andy Warhol's life in Pittsburgh. Just various videos I put up, and I hope you enjoy them. Thanks for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan.